This video explains how to use the Qorvo Omnia SARS-CoV-2 antigen test. For additional information, please refer to the Instructions for Use insert sheet. The Qorvo Omnia instrument and test cartridge procedure is an immunoassay testing format that utilizes a novel bulk acoustic wave detection technology to deliver rapid test results. The Qorvo Omnia SARS-CoV-2 antigen kit should be stored refrigerated at 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. Inside the kit, you will find 20 antigen test cartridges, 20 vials of lysis buffer, 20 dropper caps, 20 nasal swabs, and 1 package insert. The package insert provides more detailed instructions for testing samples. To process a test, you'll need 1 test cartridge, 1 nasal swab, 1 vial of lysis buffer, and 1 dropper cap. Collect the nasal specimen using the nasal swab, following the procedure in the package insert. Remove the cap from the lysis buffer vial. Insert the swab into the vial, then plunge and swirl the swab up and down for a minimum of 30 seconds, taking care not to splash any liquid out of the vial. Remove the swab from the vial while squeezing the swab against the walls to extract the liquid. Discard the swab into a biohazard waste container. Firmly press the dropper cap onto the vial, then mix the contents by swirling or flicking the bottom. The sample is now ready for testing. To prepare the Qorvo Omnia instrument, press Start New Test from the main menu. On the patient information screen, enter the patient name, patient ID, date of birth, gender, and clinician name. Press Next to reach the Prepare Cartridge screen. Remove the SARS-CoV-2 antigen cartridge from the foil pouch and place on a flat surface. Ensure that the humidity indicator inside the foil pouch is within acceptable limits. Using the dropper cap on the vial of collected nasal swab material, squeeze the rigid area of the vial to dispense sample into the sample port until the sample is visible at the fill line. Notice that the instrument software is showing this step. Press Next on the instrument. Insert the cartridge arrow end first into the instrument's cartridge receiver until the instrument draws it in. If prompted on the screen, select the sample type being used for this test. Then confirm that this is the test you want to run and press Run Test. The testing sample screen will be visible, and the blue bar tracks the testing progress of the assay. When the test is complete, the results will be displayed on the screen, showing either a positive or negative result. Please refer to the package insert for result interpretation. Results can be either automatically sent to an external printer, or you can press the Print button. Now that testing is complete, the cartridge will be ejected from the instrument. Discard the cartridge into a biohazard waste container. Find more information at www.qorvobiotech.com.